Hey, welcome to another AOK Extreme review. Today we're testing out the Kickass Australian direct company Kickass 250w Ultralight solar panels. The reason I'm doing a review on these today is, well, first, these are the second pair we've ever had. We didn't have the 250 in the past, we had the 150. Also, a lot of people are asking a lot of questions about the product. There's a few questions I need to answer myself as well, like the voltage, how much watts are coming through the unit, and I brought my voltmeter just to double check that as well to help you guys out there to pick the right panels for yourself. Now, we haven't used these. I only picked these up. Today is the 13th of October. I haven't used these yet. We just received them on the 11th. That was Friday, I think it was.
Yes.
Yep. And we're going to do a quick unpacking and tell you what it comes with and what doesn't come with. Now, I do have a fact sheet here as well to give you a bit of an idea, because my brain's too small to remember everything. And I'll tell you exactly what the panels are, okay? These were released back in May 2016, okay? They are thinner than any aluminium glass panel on the market. The fact is that I know this from the past. I've had glass and I've had these before. The whole panels, and there's 5 panels in one, the whole 5 of these panels is thinner than one glass panel, to give you an idea. Sun's beautiful. I'm at Pikes Creek, by the way. It's absolutely stunning. It is marine grade steel legs, so the legs that this sits on are marine grade and you can remove them. That's a great thing as well. The cells that are actually used in these panels are a sun power cell. Without me going into too much depth, because I don't want to make the video super long, I would recommend that you look up sun power. What I understand, and I'm no genius of solar, I'm just giving you a full review on this, is that SunPower are probably one of the best panel makers out there. The panels that they use is fantastic. Okay, these are handmade. They were 2 years in design. They are very, very strong. The 250 panel can run up to 150 litres of fridge. Now, a lot of people are asking, well, they have asked in the past, the weight, the measurements. Okay, so the whole unit, packed as it is, weighs up to 12.55 kilos. So that is a bit of weight when you think about it, but that's with all the connections, you got the solar panel, the bags, and the bags are heavy duty as well. So, and the panel weight by itself is 9.5 kilos. Okay. Now, folded length, when it's folded, okay, we're looking at 550 millimeters in width, 630 millimeters in depth, and 45 millimeters 550 millimeters width, 630 millimeters in depth. Okay, unfolded, you're looking at 2,800 millimeters in width, 630 millimeters in depth, and then 9 millimeters thickness. Basically, that's it. So check that out, I don't need that anymore. So let's unpack it. So what does it come with? A 5.5 meter Anderson to Anderson extension cable, Anderson plug with alligator clips. This is what I love, a 20 amp solar regulator. Now this is waterproof, Anderson to Anderson. Everything that Kickass does makes life easier with Kickass Anderson plugs. It's a click and play. That's it. Connect and run away. Now, at the moment, I won't probably use this in my car because when we're on campsite, I've got a C-Tech charger, okay, a 20 amp as well, and I would run that solar panel straight into the C-Tech charger, and that'll charge up all my batteries. If you haven't got a C-Tech charger and you want to run power, charge it up, this will boost it up for you. Okay, comes with a nice handy bag as well. Okay, so this is a double bag system, so I'll put this away just to make sure everything's nice and neat. Again, this is the first time I'm using these panels, but I mean, there's other brands out there that tell you that they're good and everything like that, buy on the internet, but you don't trust them. And the reason I go Kickass is because here's one thing: one, the customer service is fantastic. 2, when you look at the cabling, I'm not going to bag out any of the other brands out there, but when you look at the cabling, full 8mm cable, okay, means that you're going to have a high quality power source coming through these cables. Now, I have made mistakes in the past buying cheap $250 panels, foldable panels from another brand. The cabling was absolute shithouse. They'll bend, they'll break, and you know what? It's not worth it. We work hard enough for our money, so why not just spend a little bit extra to get the best quality? And I personally think, honestly, this is the best quality that you can buy out there. Now, just a disclosure, I paid for these panels. I'm not sponsored by Kickass or Australian Direct. I do reviews for them because I believe in the product, and I try to make you guys understand that it's worth going to Kickass to buy what you need for your next adventure. Okay, so that's the panels there basically. Well, I can lift it out like that. You know, this will work out. But at the end of the day, that is quite light for me to put it out there. It's got a bit of weight to it, but hey. These are your stainless steel marine grade stands. Again, never been opened, clips on there. So let's put this all away now. Let's set the panel up. Okay. So now we've got the legs set in. I'll get MJ to come around here to show you exactly what we've done with the legs. Please. Okay. So basically the way the legs are set up is that you just slide them in. That's it. You've got a strap here to clip in, so if there is any wind, these legs won't fall out from underneath the solar panels, where a lot of other companies do. Okay, so now all you do is adjust it to where the sun is, which is pretty damn easy, as long as the legs are strapped in properly. And that's it. Now what we've done here is, just very quickly MJ, we've connected the solar panels. Okay, now this is not regulated at all at the moment. It's straight from the panel, straight to the 5-meter cable, and plug it in. Now, I won't be using this 20 amp regulator to the point is that I've got a 20 amp C-Tech DC to DC charger in my car that will be charging up the batteries. Now, if you don't have that set up in your car, then this will be perfect for you. It boosts up the power, and not only that, it regulates it. So if you don't know what regulated is, you don't want to overcharge your battery system because you can kill the battery. Okay, this is why Kickass have introduced these regulators into their packs. Now, normally they don't come with them, you buy all the things separately, but Kickass have a special at the moment where when you buy your 250 watt panels, that comes with it, ready to go. You don't need to buy anything else. It comes with the cable and obviously all the clips that you've seen before. So I'm going to try to see how much watts is pushing through just this without being regulated, and I'm going to see how the regulations go as well. Okay, the sun is booming, panels are getting very, very hot. So let's do this.
Done.
Okay, so now that everything's connected up, we want to make sure that there's enough power coming through this unit. Now to do that, we need to check the voltage that's coming out of it. Now I've got this unregulated straight into the cable. Got the volume meter. Let's click onto volts. Let's see how they go. So obviously positive, positive, negative, negative. The sun is booming. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, guys. So we have at the moment pumping through 20 volts. So it's pushing quite a bit of power through that. So that's not bad. It's going up and down, but you can 21. So there you go. It's working. Now what we will do now is unplug the cable. Use the 20 amp regulator. Now when you buy these, make sure it goes black to black, grey to grey. That's plugged in. Plug this into here. Okay, there's no power going through that yet. Now we'll plug it into the battery. Now come over here, bro. See if you can see the watt. If anyone can see that this is now at 13 watts. 13. Yep. Basically that's fully charged. Okay, so that's 13. We did a test. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this into here. Bang. the mother. A bit of a mess here. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. Okay. Now let's see if there's power coming through this. So the battery's at 13%. Plug this in here. Now over here on the voltmeter. Okay, so we're getting 12 volts or watts, I think it is. I don't know how you do it, but coming out of the unit altogether. Bear with me for 1 second, guys. I think it's amps actually. We've got about 12 amps that just popped up onto the screen. Now the red indicator shows that the battery is getting charged, and the green one means the solar panel is working. If you can see that, can you get a bit closer? Just focus. There you go. Okay. Now what we'll do now is that we'll do a test over here. Now it's charging. It's gone up to 14.12, 13, and then went up to 13. Now, I would recommend everyone, when they buy a solar panel, which I forgot to buy, is a watt meter, so you know exactly what the wattage is coming out of the panels. I'm not a mathematician, so it's a little bit hard, but I'll try to work out the theory, and I'll put it down on the title probably just here somewhere, so we'll go from there. But anyway, so that's the Kickass solar panels. Now, give you an idea, guys, let's go around over here. When you buy a Kickass product, you get a quality. I mean, Clayton, I think it's his name, the owner of Australian Direct and Kickass. He's a camper, he's a traveller, he builds these, or he gets to get these built to meet the Australian climate and the Australian conditions. And I've had them for a few years now, and you'll see on my channel that I've had them in the past, from hot water showers, to solar panels, to pumps, to a lot of different things, and batteries. When you buy a Kickass product, you know you're going to be buying one of the best, or even the best product on the market today. I'm going to put the link below where you buy these panels. Now, they are on special, okay? They are on clearance at the moment, so they're super cheap. Originally, these were $12.99 when they first got released. Sold out within a week. You got the next container in, sold out. They went down to $9.99. Now they're actually $6. How much do we pay for these?
$6.20.
$6.20. Honestly, $620 with everything. You'd be stupid not to buy it. I'm not going to give you a sales pitch right now, but I'm just going to tell you my theory. We work hard for our money. There is a lot of companies out there that sell cheap panel blankets, glass panels. They're just trying to get your money, and you know that, yes, you might pay $200, $300, $400 for the panels, but will you get the longevity out of them? I have to say no, you won't. Don't waste your money. If you can't buy them straight away, wait. Less coffee in the morning. Just don't spend your money on something that's going to be rubbish. Then you'll be buying something a little bit later, and you just doubled up on all your cash. That's wasted money is not worth it. And I know I've wasted a whole lot of money. Kickass 250 watt panels with the 20 watt regulator. Excuse me, getting old knees. With the 20 amp regulator. Go do it. 620. What was it?
620.
620 for all that. Plug into battery power, battery paint, the bank. Just plug it into where you need to. But make sure if you're going to run it into battery bank, make sure you've got the regulator on there, unless you've got it obviously on board regulator from a DC to DC charger. Kickass product. Kickass is the brand, Kickass prices. Australian direct, they're in Queensland. Shipping takes no time at all. I've got these within 3 to 4 days. It's super quick. And there's free delivery on these as well at the moment, okay? So check them out, they are the best. Thumbs up to Clayton for making another product that is blowing me out of the water, and I'll continue shopping with them. Thanks once again, and have a great day.